So yeah, we were calling this guy, and we tried to get him to watch one of our videos. He's like, "Haha, it's funny." I was like, "What's your favorite part?" He's like, "I don't know." And I was like, like he really lost it. And he's gonna be all like, "So, do you want to text?" And then Stacey's all like, "Where the hiccups go? And he was like, haha, trust this spirit, trust me. And so we said, rock out loud, never trust a hoe.
I mean, that's being said.
What the? Woot, woot.
Where's the
What's that one song go? It's all like, the roof is on fire. We don't need no water, let the baby burn. I remember we used to say it for my mom, and she'd be all like, "That's sad, don't let the baby burn." That's not even a real baby. What are you talking about, retard? I swear.
Oh, I got the hiccups.
Oh yeah, Stacey's got hiccups. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep.